आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और Q3 रिजल्ट लाइव Eternal, Dr. Reddy Labs, HPCL among 59 companies announcing December quarter earning today. Q3 result live around 59 companies are announcing their result for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026. Today, some of the notable names among them include Anant Raj, Bajaj Consumer Care, Bank of India, Dalmia Bharat, Dhanlaxmi Bank, Dr. Reddys Laboratories, Reddys Laboratories, Zomato-parent Eternal, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, HPCL, Jindal Stainless, KEI Industries, PNB Housing Finance, Supreme Industries, Tata Communications, UTA Assist Management Company, and Oil Energies. Q3 result live Piccadily Agro share jumps 9%. Piccadily Agro Industries share jumps nearly 9% to trade at 602.10 epices. That comes after the companies reported a 94% YOY increase in net profit to 47.61 crore in Q3 financial year 2026. Q3 result live Supreme Industries shares fall 2%. Supreme Industries shares dropped more than 2% to trade at 3,304 apiece. This comes after the company reported a 18% YOY fall in Q3 net profit. Q3 result live Supreme Industries Q3 result. Supreme Industries reported a consolidated net profit of 153.37 crore for Q3 financial year 2026. This makes a 18% YOY fall from the 186.97 crore net profit reported in Q3 financial year 2025. The firm's revenue from operation meanwhile rose more than 7% YOY to reach 2,686.94 crore. Q3 result live Eternal shares jumps for the shares of Zomato-parent Eternal jumps more than 4% to trade at 281.30 apiece. The company is set to announce its result for the October-December quarter of financial year 2026 today. Q3 result live SRF tumbles 5% after earning. SRPF shares tumble more than 5% to trade at 2,730.30 apiece. SRF reported a consolidated net profit of just 432.66 crore for Q3 financial year 2026.